This Thursday, we're getting ready for Cinco de Mayo, and we found these awesome elote bowls. Plus, we're using our Cilantro Lime Mayo.
Yeah! That's really good.
Holy shiznaz.
I know, move out the way, fat boy's here.
I don't even know what that means, but... So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell.
Make my day. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping, and the jam is pumping. Look at him.
All right, now get over here and let's make these elote bowls.
I'm on my way. All right, elote.
Yes.
I do love some corn.
Me too. And you gotta start out with roasting some corn.
That's right, and we just did it over our little charcoal grill.
Yeah, a little, it's probably
In the husk.
20 bucks, or it used to be 20 bucks.
Yeah, probably like $100 now.
Yeah, who knows? But yeah, so we did 4 cobs.
Yeah,
4 cobs of corn.
there you go. And we already got some cut up in the bowl for you.
Yeah, we did. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this. And if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and getting the zest of 1 lime
I can
and the
do
juice
that.
of a lime.
All right.
Man,
And you want to always zest your limes before you cut them and juice them. Otherwise, it is a pain.
yeah,
And when
that would be funny.
I've done it. Just gotta work through it. But you want to be like a good microplaner when you're zesting is important, and you don't want to get the white. You just want to
That's
get
right.
the little top. So just do quick little strokes and then move,
Yeah,
because you don't want that rind, because then it gets all bitter.
and
It's no good.
no bueno. See? But yeah, I used to love when I was little, and I would
Oh, those
cut
are my favorite
corns like
pieces, because you just get like your whole like.
It has some good flavor too. There's no seasoning on that either.
Hey, just charcoal.
Yeah. So we're just gonna add this into our bowl.
Very nice. Can I borrow your knife?
Yeah, definitely. There you go.
Thank you.
And then we also roasted a whole poblano. We're gonna add that in there, and we chopped it up. So it's got a lot of that delicious
Ooh.
peppery flavor.
That's gonna be good. I love
Oh yeah.
poblanos too.
And
What?
this one's not too spicy
Yeah.
either.
Are you gonna add? You can add a jalapeno.
That's right. You can add a jalapeno, and I am going to. 'cause
Oh, of course you are.
I like the spicy. And while I'm
I'm
doing
gonna
that,
hurt later.
while I'm doing that, would you mind getting our spices going in there too?
Yeah, I'm just gonna toss this up
Cool.
a little bit with that. All right, and I'll reach over you. Don't cut me.
I'll try. So, when we were looking at these recipes, we noticed that they were so freaking
Yeah.
spiced up with
What-
seasonings.
We were just going over, getting ready to like, okay, and I was like, whoa. There's no way. For that amount of corn,
Yeah.
they were talking a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of salt. Like,
That's insane. That's so much spices.
so instead of ruining an awesome elote, we went ahead and just made our adjustments.
Yeah.
So trust us, that recipe would have been no bueno.
Did you tell them it was going to be like a 1-to-1 on sauce to corn ratio?
Yeah, that was also crazy, the amount. I mean, I know some people love mayo and sour cream, but
Well, and with the OTK cilantro lime mayo, it really wouldn't have been bad, but
it would just been all
it's
sauce.
just so much sauce. I mean, it's about the corn, right?
Yeah.
With some sauce.
Nice. You got your jalapenos.
Oh yeah, jalapeno is already in there.
Awesome.
And then I'm gonna grab some measuring cups for our sour cream and our cheese.
Ooh, yes. Oh, and can't forget the mayo. Oh,
Yeah,
I should have memorized this, but I did not.
it's okay. Yeah, we kept this over here because,
Because the first recipe we were ready to do, and then
yeah,
thinking about it and seeing how much corn, I was like, no, we're not doing that.
not gonna happen.
I'm not ruining that good corn. Especially,
Yeah, because I want to eat some corn.
I know, I'm
Come on.
starving. I love elote.
So I'm adding a 1/4 cup of this crema sour cream.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good. I'll get you our mayo.
Awesome.
And what? And this, tomorrow, you can see how this is made.
Yeah, and we'll link that at the end of this video so you can go ahead and get to that. Of course, you won't see it right now unless you're watching after tomorrow.
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, if you wouldn't mind just pouring it in, that would make it a lot easier.
Yeah, you know, teamwork.
Smarter, not harder. Isn't that what they say?
Yep. That's the fun of cooking together.
Yeah. You got a little helper. Thank you there.
What?
Set this, I'll just set that in that bowl right there.
That's perfect.
And then we need 2 tablespoons of this, I think it's pronounced cojita?
Cojita, cochita.
Cochita? I don't know.
It's probably cojita.
I think it's cojita, because you know the J's and H. So.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Need a little cilantro.
Yeah, we need about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't think elote bowls are only for Cinco de Mayo. This is going to be awesome to enjoy the entire summer.
Ah,
All
yes.
summer, maybe even into fall, really.
Anytime you want some corn,
Yeah, I mean
it's
now.
a great way. And of course, and it's a lot easier because, you know, traditionally you would take your corn, grab your mayo, rub it all down, sprinkle it with cheese, and then it's fun. It's fun at fairs. It's fun to get all messy. But if you have a big group and you don't want to take the time to do all that, basically just put it all in a bowl. It'll be delicious.
That's exactly right. And I was just gonna say, nowadays you can get corn in winter. It's insane. But so you could have this in winter too. I guess.
and you can have it as a side dish. We're gonna pair it with some chips, kind of like as a little dip.
Yeah. Grab this bowl, get this right up in there.
I'm excited about the elote.
Yeah. Dude, I don't know if you saw, but I tried a little bit that fell on the cutting board. Holy cow, dude, this is awesome.
Of course.
Yeah.
We made it.
Of course, man. Of course. Just put a little bit more in there. And we can try out of this big bowl.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
There you go now.
Now, if this doesn't make you hungry, I don't think you're human.
So
Ooh,
just
look at
garnish
that.
with a little top, give it a
pretty.
little color.
Yes.
There we
yes,
go.
sir.
Grab a chip. I'm not waiting for you. Sorry.
Oh, you monster. It's okay, I already tasted it. Oh my gosh.
No. That's good.
Jeez, dude. If you don't like corn, you're gonna like this.
Yeah.
That's how good that is.
And I'm telling you what, you're gonna want to use our mayo.
Seriously.
Because this is, if you don't, I'm not gonna hate on you, but I am gonna recommend not just a regular mayo. Go into your Mexican aisle when they have the McCormick, mayonnaise. Don't quote me on that, but it's the lime kind of mayonnaise that is like famous in Mexico. So use that.
Yeah, exactly.
But I do recommend just making your own because this is one, it's easier and it's cheaper.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it is.
Oh my goodness, I could eat this all day.
And you could, if you can't find that in your store, just get a regular mayo. You might already have some. Just add some cilantro and some lime juice, and it'll be better than just mayo.
That's a good tip. Awesome. Well, I
would say this is a perfect trendy recipe that you need to make.
yes, this is a good trend. But make sure you follow the proportions because
Yeah, follow the recipe down below. Don't follow those other recipes.
otherwise this would have been a soup bowl full of mayonnaise and sour cream with some corn floating around.
Yeah, and if that's the kind that you like, just make that. But
Need a spoon to eat it with?
yeah. You won't hear me complaining eating this with a spoon though.
Oh no. All right, well they need to go because
They do.
I
So,
want to eat some of this.
Don't forget to keep it trendy.
Yeah. I'm so glad we adjusted that recipe.
Me too.
Otherwise, it would have been very disappointing to be like, oh, this is garbage.
Make my day. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping.